This is our prep position, which is similar to the Italian low fifth position. Just like the ones we showed yesterday, this is how we start and finish some of our moves. This is our first position, in which case we want a circle in front of our body, and our fingers should be about parallel with our belly button. This is also about equivalent to the Italian fifth position on Avant. Our second position is a little more nitpicky now. We want to really lengthen out, and our elbows are in line with our wrist. The palms can face forward, or sometimes you'll find that they are face downwards. This is our third position, in which case our arms are over our head, and it is similar to the Italian fifth position, specifically the high fifth position.